So I went through dozens of overdrive pedals and settled on this blues driver. The great thing about this one is the blues driver in it sounds awesome. Now it also has an angry driver, and you can set it to this mode to where you could toggle back and forth, so that gives you 2 levels of overdrive. Anyways, here's what that sounds like. The other pedal is the Hendrix Band of Gypsies. Here's what that sounds like. Next up is the Electro-Harmonix Octavix, which is an octave fuzz. Next up is the Crybaby Mini Wah. And now onto the Zoom MS50G, which you've been hearing the delay from that. So here is the Univibe in it. And also tremolo. The Zoom MS50G is like a Swiss Army knife of effects. Great thing to have at the end of your pedal board. Anyways, that's all I got for now. Hope this helps somebody out.